What's up, guys? Today we're making this delicious juicy maple braised chuck roast, so let's get to it. So we're going to start by dicing our onions and then adding our beef broth, our tamari. We're going to add a balsamic glaze, and then and we're just putting all of this into a bowl. And then we're going to add our maple syrup and some garlic and yeah, just squeeze it in there. And then just a teensy bit of liquid smoke. And we're going to mix all this together because this is going to be the marinade in our Instant Pot. So we're just going to set that to the side, get our Instant Pot out, and then put in our chuck roast. So we're going to slow cook this for 4 hours on like high, but if you want to do it quicker, you can do high pressure cook for 45 minutes. It just won't be as juicy and tender. Once that's about an hour out from being done, we're going to preheat our oven to 400, and then we're going to cut up our carrots and our potatoes. And the potatoes we're just going to cut into 4s, and the carrots we're just going to slice into nice rounds. Add our olive oil. We're going to add our hot honey into that. You can use regular honey. I like hot honey because it has a little spice. Our rosemary, our pepper. I'm obsessed with pepper. Yes, there is going to be a shit ton of pepper in there. And then we're just going to mix all of this up until it's evenly combined. And when it's all combined, we're going to put it on a baking sheet with foil and bake it for 40 minutes in the oven. When our chuck roast is done, just pull it out and then shred it apart with the fork. It'll look nice and tender like that. And then we're going to put our veggies down and our chuck roast, and that's it. This was so tender. It was definitely nice doing the 4 hours too, because if you want to like go to work but come home and have a nice meal, then you absolutely can. 10 out of 10 recommend this, and bon appetit, y'all.